Okay, now we need a strategy on how to switch between chords. It's a lot of moving fingers and it can be very challenging if you've never done this before. So I'm going to give you a fairly simple strategy. There are many ways to do it, but for this class, let's stick to this strategy. The first thing you have to do is pick your two chords. So for today, we're going to do C and G. We're going to practice switching between the two. And so the challenge becomes, how do I switch from this C chord to this G chord without losing any time? Because if you think about it, it's a physical impossibility to switch from here to here without lifting up your fingers. So the key is to figure out when to lift your fingers. So if you're thinking of your upbeats, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, you switch right on the and before you need to do your switch. So for example, if I'm doing whole notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and I lift up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. That would be whole notes. For half notes, I would go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. For quarter notes, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and, like that. And a quick note about the right hand, hold the pick as we've spoken about in the previous videos, and we're going to be making our pick motion come from the ball of the wrist on a follow through. But we're not going to focus on that right now because for this video we want to get our left hand working. So here's our exercise. We are going to play 4 beats on C, then 4 beats on G, then 4 beats on C, then 4 on G. We'll do that a couple times. When I say half notes, we're going to do 2 on C, 2 on C, then 2 on G, 2 on G. So 2 beats, I mean. So it'll be like this. C, 2, C, 2, G, 2, G, like that for a while. Then we'll do 4 quarters on each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, like that. And then that's how we'll work on it, and that will be our exercise. So this video is the explanation video, and when you're ready to practice just with a video that has no explanation, there will be one for that as well. So let's start the metronome. Get our left hand set on C. Get our right hand ready to go. 1, 2, ready, whole notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, lift. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, lift. C and 2, here comes G and 4, lift. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, lift. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, lift. 1 and 2 and here comes C again, 4, lift. C, 2 and 3 and lift to G. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, lift. 1, 2 and 3, last time, 4, lift. 1, here come half notes, 2 halves on C, lift. 1, 2, 3 and 4, lift. G and 2 and 3 and 4, lift. 1 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 and 2 and 3 and quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, lift, switch. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, switch. 1 and 2 and 3. Don't forget to lift and 1 and 2 on the end of 4, lift. 4, lift. C, 2 and 3 and 4, lift. G, 2, 3, 4, lift. 2, 3, 4, lift. 1, 2, 3, and on C. And that would be a nice strategy to start with. Good luck practicing.